keep rewriting the old stuff. What ifs and hypotheticals don't really matter in the end, do they? Nothing matters in this world if Tessa's not here.
Hope you're making progress in the new book. Everyone is dying to see it, and I'm afraid I can't keep putting people off.
Can't rush greatness, can you?
I can when I've given you a $250,000 advance.
I met Natalie over Christmas. She asked after you. She moved to Lisbon.
Lisbon?
What are you doing here?
Making amends.
You need to leave.
I really wish I could just go back.
I've moved on, and so should you.
I know who you are. If it were up to me, you'd be rotting in a cell.
I'm so scared of failing, so I just end up ruining everything instead. If I didn't have her, I wouldn't have the book, but if I didn't have the book, then I would still have her. I'm not ready to move on.
You can't just talk about us like that.
I can't imagine living another moment on this earth without you by my side, Tess.
You really piss me off.
Don't tell anyone.
Without you, there is only me. Broken, lost, and alone.
It's easy to believe our ability to love is finite, especially when your heart is broken. Believe it or not, slowly, you will heal.
You never know how lucky you are to spend the rest of your lives with the other half of your soul. Until you've had to spend your life without them.
You know, I read your book. So what happened with Tessa?